Your vehicle has a traditional glove box compartment. To open it, pull this handle up and lower the lid. When you want to lock or unlock the glove box, use your mechanical key. For the safety of your glove box contents, the intelligent key cannot be used to unlock the glove box. Your console storage box is located between the front seats. To open the console box, pull up on the latch and open the lid. There are cup holders and bottle holders located conveniently in the center console and the rear seat armrest. The sunglasses holder is opened by a push and release motion. There are storage bins located underneath the rear seats in both King and Crew Cab models. To access these bins, fold the rear bench or jump seats up. There are also a variety of storage bins, trays, and mat pockets located throughout the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.